No matter your business, financial peace of mind means everything. Having the freedom to focus on the day-to-day while knowing you're set up down the road. QuickBooks gives you the tools to make it happen. It starts with the dashboard. Everything's there, all your linked bank and credit card accounts. This gives you insight into how your business is doing at a glance. Ready to send some invoices? Great, but don't send any generic invoice. Customize for a lasting impression, all while giving your customers an instant way to pay. Even on the go, track expenses like mileage or snap and store a receipt. Got it. So long, shoebox. It doesn't stop at tracking your income and expenses. QuickBooks even sorts them so you don't miss deductions. And the receipt you snapped? Matched automatically. Tax time just went paperless. With customizable tags, label and track transactions however you want. Tag what's important, like seasonal promotions and marketing channels. That way you get insights tailored to your business. Looks like the spring promotion was a success. Nice. QuickBooks keeps you a step ahead and allows you to focus on what matters most, the chance to grow your passion from the ground up.